Yeah, this guy's pretty fast.
Okay, here it goes. Whoa! Here comes another one. No, he's... Woo! How deep do you think it is?